Andu 2,711 rungu rwa mathaa 24 nio mathimitwo murimu wa COVID-19 guku bururi-ini. Andu 72 makionekana mari na murimu wa COVID-19. Namba ya andu aria mari naguo ikirugamira 1,246 gukinyirria na riu andu 402 nio mahonete thutha wa andu 9 kuhona murimu uyu umuthi.
While a total samples tested so far stand at 61,971. Of the 72 individuals, 70 of the cases are Kenyans, whereas one is of Somali nationality and the other is Ugandan. Of the positive cases, 44 are male, whereas 28 are female. The age range is between 12 years to the youngest and 78 years for the oldest.
Kaunti ya Turkana ni andikithia murwaru wa mbere wa homa ya COVID-19 igikinyirria kaunti 29 iria ihutitwe ni murimu uyu. Kaunti ya Nairobi iri na arwaru 52, kaunti ya Mombasa iri na arwaru 11, kaunti ya Kiambu iri na arwaru 7, kaunti ya Isiolo na Turkana iri na murwaru umwe. Guku kaunti ya Nairobi arwaru 21 makiuma gicigo-ini kia obunge kia Lang'ata.
Based on the cases that we have received and have tested positive, then we go to those particular localities to be able to trace people related to the index cases. Of course, there are also Kenyans of goodwill who come out in their numbers to go for in the targeted testing, who just offer themselves to be able to be tested. That is how we identify people.
Kaunti ya Kiambu murimu wa COVID-19 uthiite nambere na gutamba icigo-ini itiganite. Gicigo kia obunge kia Limuru kiri na arwaru 2, gicigo kia obunge kia Githunguri, Kabete, Ruiru na Thika ciri na murwaru umwe. Bururi wa Kenya ni uthiite nambere na kwinyitia muthiori haro-ini ya kung'ethanira na murimu wa COVID-19 kuria thogora wa kurigita murwaru ni ucokete thi na njira nene ni undu wa uthondeki wa PPEs guku bururi-ini. Thirikari ikiuga mabururi matiganite no mathiite nambere na gwetha dawa ya kurigita murimu uyu.
These services have been affected, but the effect is just because of fear and lack of correct information and stigma. But we want to assure the public and you media people as custodians of the people's information to be able to inform Kenyan people that our hospitals are safe, our health care workers are well trained, we have enough protective gear.
In fact, to this point, I'm well aware of about 21 vaccine initiatives across the country, across the world, that are undergoing. And yes, indeed, this one has gotten approval from the EU and the US, but it's still undergoing a phase by the time it can actually be administered in terms of the human population.
Kenya ni mathiite nambere na kuhinyiririo kuria irio cia kumekira hinya mwiri undu umwe na kunogoraga miri yao niguo gutigirira ni mahota kung'ethanira na murimu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritora kwa ni Wanjiru wa Boro.